groups of light-collecting molecules called photosystem II and photosystem I are embedded within the thylakoid membrane. Proteins called electron carriers serve as messengers between these photosystems. An additional protein, ATP synthase, produces ATP. Light striking photosystem II is absorbed and its energy is used to split water into one atom of oxygen, 2 hydrogen ions, and 2 electrons. The hydrogen ions stay in the thylakoid space, while the electrons move into photosystem II. Light energizes the electrons. They are then accepted by the first protein in a series of electron carriers. This protein carries them to the second carrier. Energy from the electrons is used to pump hydrogen ions across the thylakoid membrane. As a result, the concentration of hydrogen ions in the thylakoid space increases. The electrons are accepted by the third electron carrier. This carrier delivers them to photosystem I. Light energizes the electrons again. The energized electrons move to the final carrier protein, which adds them to NADP+ to form NADPH. Recall that concentration of hydrogen ions is greater inside the thylakoid space than outside in the stroma. Therefore, hydrogen ions readily diffuse out of the thylakoid. The protein ATP synthase uses the energy released by this flow to convert ADP to ATP by the addition of a phosphate. The chemical energy stored in ATP can then be used by the cell to power cell functions.